In the My Profile section of MYBC, you can update personal details that you initially entered when you first registered, complete or update your trading plan, or change your MYBC password. Personal details. To change personal details such as contact numbers or your address detail, go to My Profile, Personal Details. From here, you can update your email address, phone, mobile or fax number, and address detail. Please use the drop-down options to select your region, city, and suburb, and then enter your postcode to ensure that your location shows correctly when using search. Change password. To change your MYBC password, simply click Change Password. A password reset email will automatically be sent to your currently registered email address. Simply click on the link provided and enter your new password, then enter it again to confirm your new password. Once completed, you'll see a pop-up box confirming that your password has been reset successfully. When you next log into MYBC, simply log in with your username and newly created password. Please note that if you have forgotten your password before logging in, you can request a password reset by clicking on the Don't Remember Your Password link at the bottom of the login box. Enter the email address that is currently registered on your MYBC account and click Send Email.